LOCANAbio is pioneering a new class of medicines that specifically corrects dysfunctional RNA, the root cause of many devastating diseases where there are no therapeutic alternatives. Our proprietary Corrects technology platform combines the specificity of RNA-binding proteins with the durable effect of a one-time gene therapy. The versatile platform utilizes RNA-binding proteins to locate and bind to disease-causing RNA. LOCANAbio's engineered Cas proteins, such as Cas13D, are coupled with a guide RNA to recognize a target RNA sequence. Our human-derived puff proteins are engineered to directly bind to a target RNA sequence without the need for a guide. These RNA-binding proteins can be fused with a broad range of effector domains that can destroy toxic RNA. Correct splicing by skipping mutated exons. Enhance translation by increasing production of a specific gene. Destroy a mutated sequence. And replace it with a functional copy of the gene. Or correct point mutations by RNA editing. For example, in Huntington's disease, expanded CAG repeats lead to aggregated HTT protein, the accumulation of which becomes toxic to nerve cells. In myotonic dystrophy type 1, expanded CUG repeats result in the formation of hairpin structures that bind and sequester MBNL, a protein needed for muscle tissue maintenance. Our platform targets and destroys these toxic RNA repeats while preserving the healthy allele. In diseases like Usher syndrome type 2 and Duchenne muscular dystrophy, mutations in exons lead to a frame shift in RNA translation, resulting in the loss of functional proteins. We can restore the expression of a functional protein by skipping one or more of these mutated exons. The Corrects platform offers several advantages. The system exclusively targets RNA, thereby avoiding off-target effects associated with alterations to genomic DNA. Modifies the RNA mutation directly, preserving the normal allele. All the components are encoded in the system, making its activity independent of other cellular machinery. And the treatment is delivered as a one-time administration. Learn more about the Corrects platform and our programs at LOCANAbio.com.